Hello everyone, in this video we will learn planning and sustainable development in Indian context. It is the third video on the topic. Sustainable development. In the 1960s, this was the period when people throughout the world were much concerned about the environmental issues because of undesirable effects on industrial development. And thus the concept of sustainable development emerged in the Western world. This level of fear among environmentalists and common people reached at its peak by the publication of The Population Bomb by Ulrich in 1968 and The Limits to Growth by Meadows. Aims of Sustainable Development. The main aim of sustainable development is to take care of economic, social, and ecological spheres of development during the present times as well as conserve all the resources in such a manner that these can be retained for future generations. So, there is a need of changing our attitude towards nature as well as economic development. Concept of development. Development is a dynamic concept and has evolved in the second half of 20th century. Used to describe the state of a particular societies and the process of exchanges experienced by them. In early human history, the main criteria of determination of society's state was the interaction process between human society and their biophysical environment. Societies helped in the development of various levels of technology and institutions upon which human environment process depend. These have helped in increasing the pace of human environment interaction. Therefore, the momentum generated and facilitated technological process and transformation and creation of institutions. After the period of Second World War, the two important terms that is development and economic growth considered as one concept, but due to unequal distribution, a faster rate of growth in poverty is experienced by even the developed nations having high economic growth. Then redistribution with growth and equity broadened the term development in 1970s. Now the concept of development not only restricted to economic sphere alone, but also incorporates balance and equality among people in terms of welfare and quality of life of people, health, education, and other facilities, equal opportunity to all, and ensuring political and civil rights. Hence, the concept of development has become multidimensional and stands for positive, irreversible transformation of the country, economy, society, and environment. World Commission on Environment and Development. The United Nations established a World Commission on Environment and Development after concerning the opinion of world community on the environmental issues. The World Commission on Environment and Development was headed by Norwegian Prime Minister Gro Harlem Brundtland. The Commission gave its report entitled Our Common Future in 1987 It was also known as Brundtland Commission, a report. In this report, sustainable development took into consideration and defined as a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Measures for promotion of sustainable development. As we have seen that this project has affected the ecological sustainability and physical environment of the region badly. So, attaining the goal of sustainable development in command area requires such measures that can achieve ecological, social, and economic sustainability. Simultaneously, hence, five of the seven measures have been proposed in this respect, such as rigorous implementation of water management policy is the first and foremost requirement of this project. Stage 1 and Stage 2 comprising of protective irrigation and extensive irrigation for crops and pasture development, respectively, according to the canal project. Large water intensive crops shall be avoided and plantation crops such as fruit shall be encouraged by fox. In order to reduce the convenience loss of water, few important programs shall be taken into account such as the Command Area Development Program, that is lining of water courses, land development and leveling, and Warabandi system means equal distribution of canal water in the common area of outlet. Okay, it should be remembered. Warabandi system means equal distribution of canal water in the command area of outlet. The area should be reclaimed that got affected by water logging and soil salinity. The eco development is a must, especially in the fragile environment of stage 2 throughout afforestation, shelter belt, plantation and pasture development activities. By providing a decent financial and institutional support for cultivation of land, allottees who have poor economic background can be prove a positive step towards achieving the social sustainability in the region. The economic sustainability can be attained through expanding the economic sector, which must include agriculture and allied activities along with the other economic sector as a whole. Hence, we will then find diversification of economic base and establishment of functional linkages between basic villages, agro-service centers and market centers. Promotion of sustainable development in Indira Gandhi Canal Command Area. It is one of the largest canal systems in India, conceived by Kanwar Singh in 1948. This project was launched on 31st March 1958 that transformed a desert into green land. The origin place of the canal is at Harike Barrage in Punjab state and goes parallel to Pakistan border at an average distance of 40 km in Thar desert of Rajasthan. 9,060 km is the total planned length of system catering to the irrigation needs of a total cultivable command area of 19.63 lakh hectares. The canal has two irrigation systems such as flow system and lift system. Around 70% land of the command area is irrigated by flow system and rest 30% land by lift system. There are two stages through which the construction of work of the canal can be, such as here you can see the Indira Gandhi Canal command area. The stages of Indira Gandhi Canal command area. Stage 1 of Indira Gandhi Canal command area. This command area covers Ganganagar, Hanumangarh and northern part of Bikaner districts. Its cultivable command area is 5.53 lakh hectares along with gentle undulating topography. In this stage, the irrigation system was introduced in early 1960s. Stage 2 of Indira Gandhi Canal Command Area. This stage covers 14.10 lakh hectares cultivable area of Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Barmer, Jodhpur, Nagpur and Churu districts. The main characteristics of this area are hot desert with shifting sands dunes, summer temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius. Irrigation system was introduced in this stage in mid 1980s. In the lift canal, water is lifted up to make it to flow against the slope of the land. All the lift canals of this system originate at the left bank of main canal, while all the canals on the right bank of main canal are flow canals. Effects of Indira Gandhi Canal irrigation. Effects on environment. The environment of the area is influenced by this project both positively and negatively. Positive effects. Now there is sufficient soil moisture availability for a longer duration. Various afforestation and pasture development programs came into being. A considerable reduction in wind erosion and siltation of canal system have also been recorded. Negative effect due to intensive irrigation and excessive use of water, an alarming rate of water logging and soil salinity have been recorded. Effect on agriculture. There are some positive and negative effects on agriculture too. Positive effects. This canal irrigation led to increase in cultivated land and intensity of cropping. Main commercial crops, that is wheat, rice, cotton, groundnut, replaced the drought-resistant crops like gram, bajra and jowar. Negative effects. Intensive irrigation has also become a cause of waterlogging and soil salinity. So, in the near future, it may hamper the sustainability of agriculture. Thanks for watching the video.